Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be doing a slime collection. And I don't have that much slime. I just have 4. This one, and this one. And I might be doing a tutorial on one of these slimes or some of these or all of these slimes in the future. So let's get started. The first slime I'm going to start is with my new slime I just made today. I name my slimes, by the way, and I have this thing on the top of my slimes where I'll put like a streak, because I dye my slimes. This one's green. This one's purple, blue, orange. So I'll put like a line with the marker to tell you like what color it is when you look at it. So this is a green one. It's kind of like a yellowish green, but you can't really see it on camera. The lighting's very bad. Oh, I guess that's kind of better. That's kind of better. So, yeah. Okay, so let's open. Oh, yeah. By the way, this slime is called Sunny Grass because of the color. And yeah. Most of my slimes are fluffy slimes. I only have one slime that's not fluffy, and we'll get to that one later. But this is a fluffy slime. It's a green slime. I just dyed it. All my slimes are originally blue, but I'll dye them with a marker. I dyed this one with these 2 markers. So yeah, so these are my slime. It's not very stretchy. It's stretchy, but not really, see? And I'm going to do a poke test now. Okay, so yeah, slime. I'm going to go with this purple slime I made. It's also a fluffy slime. It's called Graper Slime and Purple Streak. Oh, by the way, some slimes I made, I actually put lotion in them because they're not stretchy at all, and sometimes they put hard. But I put lotion. This one's pretty nice, and I dyed it with this marker. Ba-bam! This purple Sharpie, and I dyed it. I want this to be the thumbnail, but I don't know how to take a thumbnail. Someone comment how to make a thumbnail, because I don't know how to make one. So, bam. I'm going to be doing a video on how I dye my slimes later in the future. I'm going to show you how I dye them, because sometimes it could take a little processes. So yeah. I'm not going to be showing how I dyed my slimes anymore. Next, I'm going to do a poke test. Focus. Okay, good. Focused. Yes! With the next slime, and it is my least favorite. Wait, no, I'm not gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one, my second least favorite. But it's this slime has a story. It's my putty, actually. On camera, it looks orange, but it's actually, on camera it looks brown, but it's actually orange. It's not showing up for some reason. It's actually a really nice orange, but it looks like the Kylie Jenner lipstick. So I named it Kylie J101, but the color rubbed off, and I just was too lazy, so I put putty kind of over there, and I put the streak, and yeah. You know, it's a putty because it's very stretchy. It's really stretchy. And it's harder, kind of. Almost, it's kind of hard. A bit like putty. See? It's a putty. And yeah, it looks like the MAC lipstick, so I called it Kylie J101. And on with the poke test. My last, and but not least, slime is my least favorite of all. I honestly, like, the consistency is not as good, but the color is horrible. It's a grayish blue, kind of. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah. It's called, this is a fluffy slime as well, but yeah. It's fluffy, and I called it cotton candy. Bam. I also used to have a slime like this, but it called blueberry ice cream. It was a lot brighter, prettier, but I put like so much lotion in it. It was turned into a liquid. So yeah, I made a new one, but it turned out bad. So yeah, fluffy stretch test. Pretty good, actually. It looks like ice cream. Okay, on with the poke test, like I always say. Roll the cinematics. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be making more videos in the future. Stay tuned.